everyone, this is Miss Pearl. Today we're reading about keeping calm. When I start to get upset, I need to stop and think. I need to think about how I am feeling. Do I don't feel so good. I feel okay. I feel great. If I feel okay or not so good, I can take a break, take deep breaths, count 1 to 10. If I feel okay or not so good, I can squeeze a ball, use my words, take a walk. If I feel okay or not so good, I can hug a pillow, think of a solution. I need to stay calm so that I am safe. After I feel great again, I can come back to the group. When I feel great, I am safe. My teachers and friends like me when I am calm and make the choices. What sometimes I can do to keep calm is take a break, kick, kick a ball, or yell out. What should I never do when I'm upset? I should never hit others. Is this person calm or frustrated in this picture? I think this person is frustrated. They look angry. Is this person calm or frustrated? In this picture, I think they are calm. They are doing a yoga. Is these people calm or frustrated? I think they are calm. They have a big smile on their face. Is this person calm or frustrated? This person looks angry, so this person is frustrated. Thank you.